Helpston level crossing in Cambridgeshire with Shane, Adam, Jamie, Matthew, Spike and Joe Thorpe.
They're over there. Anyway, this is Helpston level crossing in Cambridgeshire. And there is Spike and Joe over there. It's very blurry, but they are over there.
How's the floor?
Right, you know, just wait upon your...
Jamie, how's the floor?
It's alright.
In the words of Joe Thorpe. Right. There we go.
You just wait upon your...
Now it's 13:37.
On Saturday the 1st of August 2015.
It's for 13:41. Monaco 10, Edinburgh King's Cross.
Yeah, this is for our Monaco 10 VTEC service from Edinburgh to London King's Cross.
Wave to them.
Today I'm joined by who I said in the last video.
No one's there.
Andrew.
There's yellow ants on this pipe.
Oh.
That's you, pipe.
We could put a little webcam here.
You.
Throw a cam on blocks, man. Or I'll sue him. What the hell's that?
A pipe. With green ants.
It's supposed to be new or something, because I just tripped on it.
Yes.
If this is even compliant for Dave, we've got a whole hustle. If this was going to be sort of like
That's the louder alarm.
Look at that.
That's the louder alarm.
Ah, it's not that bad. I could hear that. What if Joe's still got Newark Castle?
This is really uneven.
Yeah, that's what it was like. That sounds like Newark Castle.
It's not too bad. It looks the same as the overhead blinds.
What does?
I'm not, I'm just leaning.
I didn't hear that. Anyway, just stop banging the bloomin' crossing.
Well done.
What's it ever done to you?
A lot!
What's it ever done to you?
I thought this was a main street. There's 2 cars there, 2 cars there, and then there's all of us. Looking stupid.
You. Anyway, where are you?
I'm here.
Yeah, no, the train.
You said you didn't say what. You didn't say what, who is.
I meant the train.
Or who, what is.
Anyway, the train should be coming in around
Last time I checked, it was just on Tollington Steps for my Roblox version.
40 seconds.
Oh, I pretty think my main camera could have put it on there. I bought the main camera. I used it for ages. It's doo-doo.
Should be coming in around 30 seconds.
Another 2 minutes actually.
Well, 30 seconds.
Just passed over Tillington. Train just past Tillington. It's nice at low speed, isn't it?
Wait, what? I think it'll go on the far side again. I think it'll go on the far side again.
Yeah. Look, line 2. That's there.
Line 2.
Line 2 near the bushes.
Hey Andrew, he's wearing Crocs.
You know what I'm going to say? Get on Jamie's bike and slip off it. That's why you don't wear Crocs.
I ride a bike in Crocs, actually.
Well, Jamie slipped off his and
There's
broke
a plate
both
up
feet,
there.
literally.
Yeah, I know Crocs.
Bless him.
Somewhere.
And we've got...
And there.
There's a plane.
You've got your fat breasts on that barrier.
Lol. Anyway, anytime now.
Load of fats.
Anytime. What?
Just pinged in to near enough the... Well, here we are.
Here's a VTEC. 82.207!
91!
And 91.102, see you, York! To London King's Cross.
No, I'm not even knackered yet. I heard Joe Thorpe there.
Yeah.
Let him show York! Anyways, up they go. And...
There it goes. And...
Thank you very much, guys. See you in the next video.
Yes, we will.